Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your iPhone's default browser. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your settings app. And after opening your settings app, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down. And then you will be able to see the option apps. Tap on it. Then after tapping on it, tap on default apps. Then there you will be able to see the option of browser app. Tap on it. And then you can see here are four different browsers. Since I have four different browsers on my phone, you can set it as Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or whatever you want. Currently, you can see it is in Safari, but if you tap on Chrome just like this, you can see it is now in Chrome and you are all set. And like this, you can change your default browser of your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.